Good morning, you guys. Sorry, it's so cold. It snowed last night, and here in Alabama, we do not get a lot of snow. So a lot of excitement this morning. So day 2 of this experiment. No adult beverages last night, and all I had to eat yesterday was 3 chicken tacos, and then I had a slice of smoked Gruyere cheese last night. Wasn't fighting it. Wasn't like, okay, let me just only eat this. Just, like I need a little something, and that was perfect for me. I wasn't fighting against anything. I ate whatever I wanted to, and I woke up this morning at 194.3. So I lost like 3 pounds in one day just from doing this 3-step thing. Of course, it's water weight, but it's like a flag showing that I did what I was supposed to do. And I think this is the ticket for me, you guys. So we'll see. We'll keep going, see how it goes. Of course, it was not gonna be perfect, but I think, this will get me some consistency going. So I think the real test will be, if after 3 days. So I guess that would be after day 4. See what 3 days looks like. I think that if I'm able to keep it consistent for 3 weeks, then I think it's a good sign that, okay, I can not sit back, but like, I think this is it. I think that will be my kind of confirmation. So here we go, going on day 3 now, which, I'm kind of counting this as day 2. So I'm excited to see how it goes. And again, this is just like, all I've done so far is figured out why I eat the way I eat. And the first thing was, it's just kind of like a sense of freedom, a sense of kind of control. Saying that I'm not supposed to eat this or not supposed to eat that makes me want it more. And then I'm present when I'm eating. I'm enjoying the food. I'm enjoying the taste. I'm enjoying the crunch. I'm enjoying the saltiness, all of that stuff. And it made me realize, what else do I do in my day that is like that? When I was in shape, that's what it was. When I was in the gym, it was just being so present and feeling contractions and all this. And the more I can be present throughout the day, I think the less I need the food. Because I've been consciously being like, feeling the sun on my face, the cool breeze of the wind, just stopping and acknowledging my senses, except for the taste one. I think we got the taste one down packed. So paying attention to like the other 4 senses, and I go through them in my head, and it just kind of brings me in the present moment and enjoy the sun. Like, when's the last time? I can't remember the last time I was just like, just felt the warmth of the sun on my face, and it's nice. And it's like, okay, I get why like food has been such a thing for me, because it's nice to stop and smell the roses. It's nice to stop and enjoy, and the more I can do that throughout my day, the less I need to do that with food. And then the satisfaction, meeting an expectation or exceeding it. And that's really, the expectation of when the sun's on my skin, feeling the warmth, meets it. When it comes to food, it's like, okay, this food is going to be so delicious. Especially, I think, when you try something new and it's not that great, it makes you be like, oh, I tend to kind of want something else because I didn't get that satisfaction. And so now, instead of getting it from food, which is, this is all stuff I just didn't realize before. So now, instead of getting it from food, I am paying attention. I'm trying and learning and practicing paying attention to things that give me satisfaction. And that means like setting small goals, like itty bitty little goals, like just like feeling the warmth of the sun. Like, okay, I expect to feel the warmth of the sun. It meets that expectation. And when I like close my eyes and enjoy it, exceeds the expectation. So just little itty bitty stuff like that, and enjoying. And I think it's almost a very feminine quality too, because that, femininity is about being present and free in the moment. And funny enough, I actually remember probably the smallest I ever got. I was like a size 0, and it was not me trying. I was not like, oh, I need to not eat this. I ate whatever I wanted still. I just wanted different things in less amounts. And I remember just carrying myself a little bit differently. I felt more girly. I felt more feminine, and I loved it. And it's probably because I unconsciously was more present more often, consistently, all the time. And that led me to probably not want the food, not want a ton of food, and just made me feel more feminine. Because I remember just like very much feeling in my feminine energy, and I loved that. I love being in feminine energy. So, all right, you guys, day 2, done, looking good, down 3 pounds, and I'm on day 3, so we'll see how it goes. I think the good measurements is after 3 days, like we'll count this as the second day since I had some adult beverages, the first one. After 3 days, and then after 3 weeks, you know, and then after 3 months, then after, you know, 6 months, a year. So I think those are good gauges to see, like, if this is really it, if this is kind of my anchor, if I find myself desiring food, oh, I know I'm probably not being as present as I need to be, or XYZ, you know, one of the 3 steps. So here we go, guys, let's do this.